So hey guys, the Galaxy S23 series will be unveiled on February 1st during the Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event. However, you don't have to wait till then to know more about the device's specifications, because I have bought the officially leaked full specifications and officially advertisement images of the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. But the most surprising news is the pricing, which will shock you all. But first, I will run through all of the features of the S23 and S23 Plus to give you a sense of what these phones have to offer, and these are all official specs. Now, the South Korean company's upcoming high-end smartphones are iterative upgrades bringing improvements to performance, cameras, software and battery life. According to the report, the Galaxy S23 has a 6.1 inches Super AMOLED display, while the Galaxy S23 Plus has a 6.6 inches screen. Both phones have Full HD Plus resolution, a 48 to 120Hz variable refresh rate, HDR10 Plus and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection as well. Both phones are 7.6 mm thin and have similar dimensions, slightly wider to its predecessors. On the front, Samsung has equipped them with a brand new 12-megapixel f2.2 selfie camera that can record up to 4K 60fps HDR10 Plus videos. The front camera most likely also featured dual-pixel autofocus. Now on the back, the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus have a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with a 3x optical zoom. The back camera can record up to 8K videos at 30fps and 4K video as up to 60fps. The Galaxy S23 is powered by a 3900 mAh battery and it is capable of 25W fast wired charging. The Galaxy S23 Plus has a 4700 mAh battery with up to 45W fast wired charging. Now coming to the pricing of all these features, the Galaxy S23 series could see a price jump across the board. Yes, according to 9to5 Google, Samsung could increase the pricing of the Galaxy S23 series by $100 across the board in the US. In the US, the base Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra could be priced at $899, $1,099 and $1,299 respectively. Now this is the price status of the S-series phones from the S20 to S23 series. As you can see the ups and downs in the cost, till the S23 series is less expensive than the S20 series. So what do you think about this Galaxy S23 series? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.